watch. ARHS, Our House Inc., another name in the furniture retail. I don't follow that one as closely. Sam Vadas, thank you very much. Good to see you. And we want to get here now and trade this. Tim Bigham, option strategist at Pilot AI. Good morning to you, Tim. How are you approaching an example trade here?
Yeah, taking a look at a stock that is kind of just, going nowhere on a technical basis. Valuations at the higher end here, price of sales now over 3 times. The last time it was up there was last January when the stock hit the all-time high and then pulled back. So it's kind of this yin and yang here. It's been hugging the 20-day moving average. So I'm just looking kind of, I guess, where Citi and UBS are, right? Somewhere between 202 and 184, I think is where the stock will probably land here. So I'm taking advantage of pretty rich implied volatility on the monthlies, only monthly options on this. Going out, selling a September Iron Condor trade, selling the 210-220 call spread. I think that 210 level near that all-time high, certainly some resistance up there. And then down below, support around 180. So hanging my hat there, selling the 180-170 put spread, bringing in almost $5 on that trade. So basically a 50-50 proposition that the stock will kind of stay within this range, upside around 210, downside at 180. So leaning a little bit bearishly just given the valuation concerns here. And if it settles out anywhere near where Citi and UBS think the stock will go, will be ideal for this trade. So really not looking for much out of Williams-Sonoma post-earnings here. I think it'll be kind of a non-event, and certainly the options are priced for a much bigger event.
Yeah, understood. What are your thoughts, big picture, on the market action overall right now?
It will all come down to tomorrow after the close. NVIDIA, as you were talking about, is the biggest overweight now ever in the S&P 500 for one stock, and it has the corollary trades along with it, everything related to the chip sector and the high-end chips. So I think NVIDIA will absolutely give the direction of the market. It's really not the earnings so much, it's how does the stock react to the earnings. If you told me right now what the numbers were, I'm not sure I could tell you how the stock would react, just given the extreme valuations there as well. So even though the Fed kind of hinted they may be a little more dovish than thought a few days ago, I think it's this kind of yin and yang between extremes in valuation and interest rates maybe providing a little bit of cushion here. But at some point, I think this continued margin expansion will be difficult, especially a name like NVIDIA that is $4 trillion plus market cap, continuing to grow to justify the valuation multiples will be difficult simply because of the law of large numbers.
All right, Tim Bigham, option strategist, Pilot AI. Thank you so much. Great to see you. Really appreciate it.
You bet.